Hello students, we have some more problems in binomial theorem. Let us discuss the first problem for today. C0 plus C1, C1 plus C2, C2 plus C3, so on. Cn minus 1 plus Cn is equal to n plus 1 whole power n by n factorial into C1, C2, C3, so on till Cn. This is what you have to do. Consider LHS. You have C1, C0 plus C1, C1 plus C2, C2 plus C3, so on. Cn minus 1 plus Cn. Take C0 out. To take C0 out, you have 1 plus C1 by C0. Here also take C1 out, you have 1 plus C2 by C1. Take C2 out, you have 1 plus C3 by C2, so on. Take Cn minus 1n out, you have 1 plus Cn by Cn minus 1. Now if you multiply the coefficients, you have C0, C1, C2, so on, Cn minus 1. This is nothing but 1 plus n by 1, 1 plus n minus 1 by 2, plus so on, plus 1 plus 1 by n. Now C0 is same as Cn, so in place of C0 I am writing Cn, C1, C2, so on, Cn minus 1. This can be written as 1 plus n by 1 factorial, n plus 1 by 2, so on, n plus 1 by n. Now this is nothing but how many n plus 1s you have? You have n plus 1. So you get n plus 1 whole power n by 1 into 2 into 3 so on till n is n factorial, that is into C1, C2, so on, Cn minus 1, Cn. This is what you have in this problem. Let us discuss the next problem. In the next problem, you have to show that middle term in the expansion of 1 plus x whole power 2n is 1, 3, 5, so on, 2n minus 1 by n factorial into 2x whole power n. The expansion of 2n x plus 1 plus x whole power 2n contains 2n plus 1 terms. So the middle term will be 2ncn x power n. Now 2ncn means 2n factorial by 2n minus n factorial into n factorial into x power n. 2n factorial can be written as 1, 2, 3. Here you have 4 also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. 2n minus 2, 2n minus 1, 2n by n factorial into n factorial x power n. Now if you take odd terms, you have 1, 3, 5, so on till 2n minus 1 into 2, 4, 6 if you take, you have 1, 2, 3, 2 power n. 2 power n you can take from 2, 4, 6 and so on till 2n. 2 power n into 1, 2, 3, so on till n, x power n by n factorial into n factorial. So here you have 1, 3, 5, so on into 2n minus 1, 1, 2, 3, so on till n can be written as n factorial. 2 power n into x power n is 2x power n by n factorial into n factorial. So n factorial gets cancelled. You have 1, 3, 5, so on till 2n minus 1 to 2x whole power n by n factorial. This is what is the middle term of the expansion, right? Let us discuss the next problem for today. You have 1 plus 3x minus 2x square whole power 10 is equal to a0 plus a1x plus a2x square, so on, a20x power 20. So here you have put x is equal to 1 in this equation. If you put x is equal to 1, you have a0 plus a1x into 1, a2x square means 1 square, plus so on, a20x power 20. In x place you put 1, you get 1 plus 3 minus 2 whole power 10 is equal to a0 plus a1 plus a2, so on, plus a20. That is 1 plus 3, 4, 4 minus 2 is 2, this is 2 power 10. 2 power 10 will be equal to a0 plus a1 plus a2, so on, plus a20. So a naught plus a1 plus a2 so on plus a20 is equal to 2 power 10. Now put x is equal to minus 1 in this equation. If you put x is equal to minus 1, you have 3 into minus 1 minus 2 into minus 1 whole square whole power 10. That is equal to a naught plus a1 into minus 1 plus a2 into minus 1 whole square plus so on a20 into minus 1 whole power 20. So this is 1 minus 3 minus 2 whole power 10 is equal to a naught minus a1 plus a2 so on till a20. 1 minus 3 minus 2 is minus 4. So minus 4 whole power 10 is equal to a naught minus a1 plus a2 plus so on plus a20. So we have proved these two in this problem. This is our next problem. Here you have summation r is equal to 1 to n r cube into NCR by NCR minus 1 whole square is equal to n into n plus 1 whole square into n plus 2 by 12. So here take LHS, that is summation r is equal to 1 to n r cube NCR by NCR minus 1 whole square is equal to summation r is equal to 1 to n r cube NCR by NCR minus 1 can be written as n minus r plus 1 by r whole square. So here you have r square and r cube. R square r cube gets cancelled. You have r into n minus r plus 1 whole square. So this is, we are writing it, and we are taking n plus 1 as a, r as b. Then you have a square minus 2ab plus b square. So here you have r into n plus 1 whole square minus 2 into n plus 1 into r plus r square. Now take r inside, you have n plus 1 whole square into summation r minus 2 into n plus 1 whole square summation r square plus r into r square is r cube. Summation n r is equal to 1 to n r is n into n plus 1 by 2 minus 2n plus 1 into summation r square is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Here r is equal to 1 to n. This is sum of n squares of first n natural numbers, that will be n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. This is sum of cubes of first n natural numbers, that is n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4. These are the formulas or the values of the summations for r square and r cube. Now throughout take n plus 1 whole square by 2 out. To take n plus 1 whole square by 2, you have n into n plus 1 minus 2n into 2n plus 1 by 3 plus n square by 2. We are taking n plus 1 whole square by 2 out. So here you have 3 2s are 6, 6n square plus 6n minus 8n square minus 4n. You are taking 2 here up plus, since you have 2 here, multiply this with 3, you have 3n square. So 6n square minus 8n square plus 3n square, that is 9n square minus 8n square, that is n square. 6n minus 4n is 2n by 6. If you take n out, you have n into n plus 1 whole square into n plus 2 by 2 into 6 are 12. So that is about this problem. The value of this is equal to n into n plus 1 whole square into n plus 2 by 12.